Hello, everyone. Sharing a scalping list for you today. This one is an instant move for gold. If following the scalping trend, short can be done at the A box. Stop loss in B box. And do long in a light position in B box. Remember to set a strict stop loss. Next, pound sterling to US dollar trend. Pound sterling to US dollar will have a relatively large swing today, but remember the two areas, A box and B box. If there are no particularly big data changes in the financial news, you can open positions back and forth between these two areas. Do long in A box, short in B box. Next, US dollar to Japanese yen trend. Previous video, I've described the exact modus operandi, and the price has reached the following support, so you can open a position for a long and set a stop loss. The stop loss is underneath the box below. Next, pound sterling to Japanese yen trend. The price of pound sterling to Japanese yen now also arrives where the last video said it did, A box. Then we can do short in A box. But we need to be bullish on the strength of the K-line downtrend. What do you think? That is, to see if it comes down like a waterfall, at a very fast pace. If it comes down fast, then it's not appropriate to do much in the B box. We need to do more in the C box. If coming down is slow, then doing more in the B box is a smart choice. That's where the trend comes in. The advice I want to give everyone is this. If you want to make a real steady profit, then you must have strong execution. That's how you'll win the war. Goodbye.